we would really ask them questions about how they live. Where do they eat? How do they eat? What do they eat with? Where do they cook? How do they sleep? The question that we wanted to answer was not, is the market ready for us? That was not the question. The question was, how can we be ready for the market?
We are able to ship more products here at a lower cost, which makes it more affordable and more available to our customers.
It's very exciting that you get the furniture in a box or in a flat box, and then opening it, unboxing it, and putting it together.
Every product, range, or solutions, available siya sa lahat ng price levels. So whatever your wallet size, for sure, there is a right product for you in IKEA.